for the darkness shining now before us. Hope and dream the world you wish away. And you try to hold on tight, every dream you wish, every world and heart you hold. In this world there's so much darkness and pain that is holding us down. Light before the darkness surrounding us, when hopes and dreams are worlds away. But you hold them in your heart, you hold them in your mind, so you have what you hold tonight. World be better if you hold on tight. Right before the darkness, holding on so tight, when all we wanna do is fight. I will love you forever, even when we drift apart. Life will throw us a curveball, even when we are hurting. The light before the darkness, oh, it feels so much. Hold on to your love. Hold on to your love. This is Hold On to Your Love, and this is my song I've been working on for a bit. Leave a comment or a like. Tell me what you guys think, and there'll be more coming to my videos. I really hope that you all love and enjoy. Thank you for the support, guys. It means much to me. Bye.